Hello and hi everyone. Namaste and welcome to my channel. My name is Smriti and I hope you are doing great and staying safe. So today I am going to talk about primary and secondary colors. With that I am also going to show you how to make a color wheel with primary and secondary colors. So I hope you will enjoy this video. So let's get started. Now I'm going to talk about primary colors. What are primary colors? Primary colors are the basic colors that can be mixed together to produce any other colors. But primary colors cannot be made by mixing any other colors together. So we have three primary colors: red, yellow, and blue. So now I'm going to talk about secondary colors. Secondary colors are the colors that are created by mixing two primary colors. For example, if you mix red with blue, then it will be purple. So purple is our secondary color. If you mix yellow with blue, then it will be green. So green is our secondary color. If you mix red with yellow, then it will be orange. So orange is our secondary color. So you got to know about primary colors, secondary colors. Now I'm going to show you a very interesting activity, that is how to make a color wheel with primary and secondary colors. But before that, you have to know what is a color wheel. What is a color wheel? Color wheel, or you can say color circle, that help us to show how colors relate to each other. So I hope you will enjoy this activity. So first you need a white sheet and your primary colors, yellow, blue and red. You can see now I have taken a circular object to make a circle first. Now, with the help of the ruler, I am going to divide the circle in three parts. After that, I am writing the names of the three primary colors. So now I'm going to put all the three primary colors one by one into the circle. So I have taken the red one first. So now I have taken the yellow one. Now the final one, the blue one. So my primary color wheel is ready. So now it's time to do the secondary color wheel. So again I have taken a circular object and this time I have to divide the circle in 6 parts. So my circle is ready. You can see I am writing the names of the primary colors into the circular box where I will put the colors into it. But you have to leave a box empty between the 2 primary colors. Now I'm going to fill the primary colors into the box. So my primary colors are all done. Now I'm going to fill the secondary colors into the empty box. Now let's write down the names. Blue plus yellow will be green. Yellow plus red will be orange. And blue plus red will be purple. Now you have to mix the colors equally. Now I have taken red and yellow. So it will turn into orange. So again the next one. Now I have taken yellow and blue. So you can see it has turned into green. Now I have taken red and blue. So you can see it has turned into purple. So my primary and secondary color wheel is also ready. So isn't it fun and interesting? I hope you enjoyed today's video. This is red, this is red, this is blue, this is yellow. Mama, which one is yellow? Blue, red. When you mix red plus yellow, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more new videos. तब तक के लिए खुश रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए और सेहतमंद रहिए. Be happy, be healthy and take care of yourself. Until then, With lots of love, see you in my next video.